Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. The headphone jack is disappearing from everywhere. It's practically non-existent among flagship phones, which makes me very sad because the headphone jack is very good. Now I'm glad that it's still available like in the budget phones and the mid-rangers because I personally love the headphone jack because wired audio is both way cheaper and way better than Bluetooth audio. And the prime example of this are these pair of earphones right over here. So these are the Realme Buds 2 and they are absolutely incredible. They come in for a price of rupees 600 and they surprised the hell out of me. Do you want to know why? Let's begin with the design and build quality. So these are in-ear type earphones, which basically means that they come with a bunch of replaceable ear tips. So no matter what your ear size is, you will always get a perfect fit. So you can easily use them in the gym while working out or while running and they won't fall off. Now I also like the fact that they are magnetic, so if there's something like around your neck or something like that, you can just clip them together and leave them here and they won't dangle here and there. And even when you put it in your bag or something like that, they will stay together. And I love magnets, so adding a magnet to this is a very good touch and well done Realme on that part. Apart from that, you also get media controls right on the earphones itself. So you get volume up, volume down. You also get a multifunction button which is used to change the song or pick up your call or play or pause your music and all those things. There is also a microphone so that you can answer calls and you can also use it while playing PUBG. So if you want a good pair of earphones for PUBG, you can really buy these. I also like the build quality of these earphones. So this wire is made out of this nylon material which is very sturdy and durable and it won't break off. So I feel very safe with these pair of earphones. I can just throw them around, throw them in my backpack wherever I want and I can be sure that they won't break off or something like that. These pair of earphones also come with a cable manager, which is very handy because no one likes tangled earphones. Tangled earphones are the worst. They are so annoying and I'm really glad that it comes with a cable manager. So now you can tie them up nicely and put them in your backpack, and when you take them out, they won't be tangled, which is awesome. Now let's get to the question of the hour. How do they sound? Well, here's where they surprised the hell out of me. The overall sound coming out of these pair of earphones is incredible and the sound quality is very well balanced. So you get a good amount of bass, the mids and highs are clear and it gives you a very good experience while listening to music or watching movies or watching videos on YouTube. So these pair of earphones are meant to be for media consumption. So if you consume a lot of media like audio or video, then you can buy these pair of earphones. If you are expecting something like a flat profile, then you are not going to get that. Like these are clearly catered towards a little bit more bass and a little bit more dynamic sound. So if you are expecting a flat profile, then you won't get the flat profile with these pair of earphones. You should buy high-end earphones or headphones for a flat profile. Now with that being said, I absolutely love the sound quality. Like I've been using it on Spotify, Apple Music, Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, YouTube, etc, etc, and these pair of earphones sound incredible. I've used them with my Redmi K20 Pro, Mi A3, my iPad, even my iMac, and I absolutely love the sound quality. So I would say it is probably one of the best pair of earphones under 1000 rupees, and if you want to buy them, you can take my word for it. Like these are awesome. So anyway, that's been it. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope that it helped you out in some way or the other, and if it did, then please let me know about that in the comment section down below. Also, if you haven't yet, please subscribe below because it would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi and I'll see you guys in the next one.